In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious, lazy breakfast recipe made with spoons. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need 2 cups of flour, 3 eggs, 1 cup of Greek yogurt, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. In a bowl, add in the flour, salt, baking powder, and whisk together until evenly distributed. Add in the Greek yogurt, beat together the eggs and add them to the mixture. Whisk everything together until a smooth and runny dough forms. Into a pan of hot oil, we're going to use spoons to scoop out the mixture and create donuts into the oil. Fry on all sides until golden brown. Once golden brown, take them out onto a paper towel lined plate. Our lazy breakfast recipe is complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.